In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iOS 18 beta update not showing in your device. For this, you need to follow these steps. There is a couple of reasons why you might not be seeing the iOS 18 beta updates on your iPhone and some ways to fix it. Step number 1. Not enroll in beta program. You need to be registered with Apple's beta software program to get access to beta updates. You can sign up on the Apple's beta software program page with your Apple ID. Step number 2. Device compatibility. Not all iPhones are eligible for the iOS 18 beta. Check if your iPhone models is listed on the beta program page. Step number 3. Software update settings. Once enrolled, you might need to enable beta updates in your iPhone settings. Go to settings, then go to general. Then go to software update and enable beta updates. Step number 4. Other potential issues. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve glitches that might be preventing the update from showing up. Check software space. Make sure you have enough free space on your iPhone to download the update. Network connectivity. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to download the update. Date and time. Double check that your iPhone date and time settings are accurate. Enrolling for the beta update. If you have not already, enroll in the Apple beta software program. Download the profile and install it on your iPhone. Then go to settings, then go to general, then go to software update. You might need to log in with your Apple ID again and enable beta updates. Once enabled, check for updates again. The iOS 18 beta updates should now be available. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.